Good morning, friends. I am Maruti Sulikeri, English lecturer. We shall discuss BA 6th semester optional English paper first. You have two optional English papers. We shall discuss the first paper. The first paper, the 6th semester optional English paper first, the study of English language and English phonetics. Okay, in this paper you have two sections, section A and section B. In section A you have 8 topics, the 50 marks. The first topic, characteristic features of English language. It means characteristics of English language, the first topic. The second topic, landmarks in the history of English language. The the third topic is vocabulary. In vocabulary, you have Greek, French, and Latin elements in English language. It means the influence of Greek, French, and Latin on English language in third section or third topic. And next fourth topic, makers of English language. The fourth topic. In this topic, you have studied Shakespeare, William Shakespeare, and John Milton, and the Bible translation. Okay, this is fourth topic. In fourth topic, you discuss. You shall study Shakespeare, Milton, and Bible translation. And fifth lesson or fifth topic in first section, development and use of dictionaries. The development and use of dictionaries. And sixth topic, English as a global language. English as a global language. And seventh topic, techniques of teaching language skills. Okay, language skills. You have 4 language skills. LSRW means listening, speaking, reading, writing. Okay, this is seventh topic. And eighth topic in per section, modern approaches to ELT. ELT means English language teaching. Modern approach or modern method to English language teaching. Okay, this is section A, English language. We have 50 marks in this section. And section second or section B, introduction to the study of English phonetics. Second section or B section, introduction to the study of English phonetics. In this section, you have three topics. The first one, classification and description of English speech sounds. The second one or second topic, transcription of words. And third topic is marking stress. Okay, this is the topic 3. Okay, these 3 topics in second section. Okay, this is your first optional English paper, the study of English language and English phonetics. Now we shall discuss question paper pattern. Okay, per section or A section, English language 50 marks. And second section, introduction of the study of English phonetics, 30 marks. Okay, in per section 1 mark question and 10 mark question and 5 marks question. And in second section 30 marks, it means ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 30 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಗಿವ್ 10 words. You have to write transcript of the word or description of the word. Okay. In third ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 10 ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಗಿವ್ 10 words, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಟ್ರೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ paper first syllabus. Okay, in next class we discuss first topic. Thank you.